truck enthusiasts and 3D modeling artists, we're proud to present an engineering masterpiece. The Mack B81 SX Tandem featuring authentic CamelBack suspension, recreated with meticulous attention to detail that honors its legacy as one of the most rugged and reliable trucks of its era. With 346,000 carefully crafted polygons, we've captured every defining characteristic of this highway giant. The CamelBack suspension system, a Mack trademark, has been precisely modeled to showcase its unique load-bearing capabilities while maintaining that unmistakable presence that made the series legendary. What sets this model apart is its perfect marriage of historical accuracy and digital functionality. Fully operational doors linked to their respective empties for smooth, realistic animations. Independent wheels and rims organized for complete control in your projects. Steering wheel with complete rig, enabling natural driving movements. PBR materials including diamond plate metal, rubber tires, plastics, and leather, pristine and ready for your custom weathering. This Mack B81 SX Tandem is now available to bring authenticity to your creations. Whether for driving simulators, cinematic renders, or digital collections, purchase links are in the description. But this is more than just a 3D asset. We're building a community of enthusiasts. What other classic trucks with unique mechanical systems would you like to see recreated at this level of detail? A Mack with air suspension? Perhaps a vintage transmission model? Your suggestions could become our next project. If this content inspires you, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Every interaction helps us preserve these automotive engineering marvels. Now tell us, how would you use this Mack B81 SX in your projects? Will it star in a documentary about trucking's golden age? Become the foundation for your next American truck simulator mod? Because these trucks represent more than machinery. They're symbols of an era where durability and innovation combine to create legends. With this 3D model, that story continues through your creativity.